Are you a gamer? If you are a gamer, don't skip this video because I got the ASUS ROG Ally here. First thing first, inside the box, you got the console itself, you got the charger with USB-C cable, and this little rack here is for you to place your ROG Ally on it. So the whole outlook design here is pretty nice and sleek, and I like the fact that they add this reflective strip here, which adds up some gaming element to it. And if you see, there's the ROG logo and the vent here. It's for the ROG intelligent cooling system, and the whole console only weighs around 608 grams, which is pretty light to hold on to it for hours of gaming. And guys, this is how the button sounds like. It comes with a 7-inch Full HD LCD 120Hz display with 500 nits of max brightness. It's good for indoors, but not that great under the sun. Although this is set to be a gaming console, but it has massive powerhouse in it. It runs on the new AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor and RDNA 3 graphics technology. 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 512GB of SSD, PCIe Gen 4, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos, 40Wh battery with 65W of PD Adaptor. Runs on Windows 11, it's like a small laptop within your palm. So with the price of 3,299 ringgit, what do you think about this ASUS ROG Ally? Will you be getting it back home? Let me know in the comments below, and this is just the first impression. Stay tuned for the full review soon, okay? I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!